Today in this video, I will show you how to use Flute.com. Now, what is Flute.com? Flute.com is basically a AI page builder and an app builder as well on the same time. And this tool is amazing. Okay, so I will show you what I have built so far. So this is my first SaaS business. Okay, so where basically you can come, you can click sign in or sign up. Okay, and then you can actually paste your links under one link basically. So it's similarly like Linktree. Okay, so this is you can say Linktree clone. Okay, so I have built this whole SaaS, okay, with the help of flute.com. Okay, as you can see, this is amazing website with all the pricing. I'm still working on it with the pricing, but I'm gonna make a video on that soon as well. Okay, so if you want to stay tuned on that one, hit the subscribe button. Okay, so as you can see, this is like a complete system. If you can go to get started, you can log in. So for example, if I click here, it's going to get my Google authentication. Okay, and then it will sign me in. As you can see, I am in now, and basically I can add more links and all that. And if I want to view my page, I can come down here. You can see it looks beautiful, simple and clean. And also I have added a newsletter form so people can subscribe, and then I can go back and go to my subscribers and I can see who have subscribed. Okay, so the tool is using is actually flute.com. Okay, so this is the tool we will be using. I will show you how you can build an amazing websites with the help of this AI builder. For some reason, not everybody is talking about it. Maybe people don't know about it, but this is your opportunity to use this tool to make great websites and apps. Okay, so if I go back to my you can see the link in bio, landing page builder. I will show you from scratch how to build something, but I want to show you one thing before I proceed. If you can go here, you can see they have this publish tab on the top right, and then when you click on that, you have these options, let's say for the web and for the mobile. So when you click on mobile, as you can see, you can generate mobile app with the help of this tool. Not only that, they do have instant mobile app. So basically, people can install the app directly from the browser, no app store review or waiting. So this is I will be testing this feature in the coming video. Okay, but in this video, I want to show you how you can take the idea, okay, and refine your prompt, and then paste it here in Flute, and then and it's gonna build out something amazing. Okay, so for example, I'm here under Chat GPT, and for example, I want to click on this one. So I'm gonna record my idea, basically what I want to build. Okay, so let's say I click on that, and I want to choose my mic. Basically, that will be this one, wireless one, and allow. Okay, allow that. So I am now here in ChatGPT. So I will be recording my prompt, my idea basically. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I will say, I like to build a plumbing website. Okay, the business base is in London, and I want you to make a responsive website. Okay, and make sure that all the major areas are covered in this landing page. So basically, this is a landing page, and I make sure cover everything. And for images, use pixel.com. Okay, for as placeholders for now, and I will actually come back and add the real images later. So I want you to build a complete website from scratch and make sure it's fully responsive with a lot of data. Okay, make sure this data rich landing page is long enough and has all the features and all the SEO tricks. Okay, and so it can actually rank on top of Google. Okay, so make sure it's fully responsive, and use it should be modern, and use a branded, like plumbing type of branding color scheme, okay, for this one. So that's it. So now what's going to happen basically is going to read my audio and is going to write it down in as a text. Okay, so what I can do now, I can go down and I will say, can you please refine this prompt for root.com AI builder so it understands the whole idea. So I will give that to ChatGPT, and now it's gonna refine everything. Okay, it's gonna refine it, make it optimize, and so when we copy paste this to loot.com, it will understand perfectly what we really want. Okay, so that's the whole idea. So as you can see, I am now going down, and we can see that. So it's covering Central London, North London, South London, East London, West London, and specific boroughs. Okay, like Camden, Islington, Hackney, Westminster, Chelsea, Croydon, etc. Okay, so you can see this is like a whole structure. Okay, now that's it. So what we can do now, I can go all the way on top. I will say, okay, build a modern website. Our overall output generate a complete long conversion focused SEO optimized program. That's great. So I can copy that and I can actually paste everything here. So we have this long prompt, okay, and everything is covered. Okay, this is the key. Okay, if you want to build something amazing and long enough, make sure don't write build me website, do this, that, and that. No, don't do that. Okay, you have to make sure you are specifically providing everything you want for your website, for your landing page, for your app, whatever it is. Okay, and now you have to click on build. So now what is happening is going to read everything. Okay, is now installing dependencies, and now it is defining goal, design patterns, and design system. And now it is actually creating all these CSS code. Okay, font families basically. So now it is covering everything. So now what do we have to do? We have to wait, and we will see what will be the output. Okay, and if anything is not right, we can always go to the chat box and then we can explain, okay, this is what we don't want and this is what we want. Okay, so now what I can do, I can wait and I will be back once this is finished. Okay guys, this is all done. So our landing page is ready. So here how it looks. As you can see, this looks so beautiful, very well organized, very nice hover effects. And of course this shouldn't be here, which is not a problem. As we discussed, we asked Flute to use any dummy placeholder images, and then we can always come back and change later. So this is not a big issue, but as long as we have a placeholder image, we can see how the design looks like. Okay, so if I go down, as you can see, we have like a very nice how it works system. I mean the section request service, engineer dispatched, job done and guaranteed. And when we go down, we have this nice. This looks amazing. Okay, the map we can fix. This is not a problem. And as you can see, all the areas we covered so far. And if we go down, we have what our customers say is very nice and well structured. Like a grid system kind of style. I really love it. Okay, so okay, this looks amazing. This is a pricing system. Okay, it's unbelievable, very nice, very well designed. And then we have these, the FAQ section, basically frequently asked questions, which is very important for SEO. And then when you go down, then we have all this, section for contact and the telephone number, emails, which is very important. And look at the footer. I mean, the footer is unbelievable. Like, I mean, just imagine. I remember I used to build WordPress websites, even though I do it now. But what I'm saying is, a footer like this, to build a footer like this takes a bit time to set all these things up and then link together and all that. I mean, just imagine. Now you can do all that just with the help of prompt. Okay, now I mean, you see, all these businesses, they can actually come here. They can just chat with Flute, and then they can build anything they want, basically. Okay, so yeah, I mean, this looks so amazing and beautiful. So for example, if you want to change this image, I mean, this image looks great, by the way, but let's say you want to change it. Okay, so how you will do it is very easy. So for example, I have one image ready. So I have this image which is very nice. Okay, so what I can do, I can provide this image to Flute and ask Flute to implement this. So what I can do, I just need to drag and drop. So what I can do, I can just drag the image like this and put it here, and I will say, please use this image for hero section, and I will enter that, and you will see in a couple of seconds this will be implemented. So similarly, we can create more images, or you can use even AI or Nano Banana, create more images, and then you can actually drop it here and just mention like, please change the image for 15 years of experience. And you can see this is done. I mean, this looks amazing. Amazing. I mean, this image looks like, 50 times better than the other one. I mean, the other one was okay as well, but this one, you can see a plumber is next to the old lady and with their, van at the back. Okay. And similarly to this one as well, you can, drop your image, put it here, and just say, I want to change the image for 15 plus years of experience, and then it's going to change that. Okay. So this is how easy it is. Okay. So this looks amazing. So this one here for London service area map. Okay. So for the maps, I can say, okay, what you can do for maps, please use um, London, and I will say use Google Maps. Okay. So now we can implement Google Maps this way easily. Okay. So, okay, I think this is all done. So if I go down and look at my maps, okay, so I think to view this, I have to click on publish. So how to publish your website? So you have to click on publish, and then you have to give your domain name. I mean, if you want to have your own custom domain name, which I recommend, you have to click on add custom domain. And you need to make sure you need to untick this flute display flute logo. You can only do that if you subscribe to their one of their subscription. I have the link in the description and in the comment box. Okay, so the good thing is, if you follow my link, you will get some bonus credits. Okay, so what I can do, I can let me see. Okay, so what I can do, I will say London plumbing business. So if I click on that, and then I can click on publish. But again, as I mentioned, this is a Flute subdomain, so you can publish there, but I highly recommend you to click on uh, you know the please pick a domain name. Okay, so I will go here. So yeah, so we need to publish it to the subdomain first, and then later on we can actually put on a custom domain. I mean, for custom domain, if you watch my previous video where I have mentioned like how I built a my first SaaS business. I think it was in a second video or something, but it's very easy. It's not really difficult. Okay, so You have to, first of all, you have to submit this into a subdomain. Okay, so I will put the name and then click on publish. Now we wait a couple of minutes or a couple of seconds and I will be back. Okay, this took a while. It took like 5 minutes, but we are ready. So what I can do now, you have to click on this domain here. So we will be going into a different tab. Okay, so if I go down, okay, the map is not working, but everything else looks amazing. Okay, and you can see, oh, is here. The map is here. The map works fine. Okay, I was talking about the map above, but anyways, the map works absolutely fine. And if I go up, you can see it is this is amazing, guys. This is amazing. I mean, look at this. Like, so London service area map. Okay, so this one we can change. We can put an image. Okay, we can add an image or something to it. Not a problem. You know how we can do that. Just go to chat and then speak about areas we cover, and we can ask to actually basically to change that. Okay. Similarly with this bird here, we can easily change that. Okay, as we have done for the hero section. So this is just like one page, okay? And if I check the responsiveness, I can go to inspect, click on the responsive tab. Amazing, amazing. This is just an amazing. Okay. Look at this footer. I mean, the footer is unbelievable. And call now. Look at the call now. It's sticky call now button. Very good. Very, very good. I mean, this might have taken a week or two in the past, but now 15 minutes. I mean, I'm recording this video 30 minutes now because I had to wait for some tasks. But anyway, I mean, 30 minutes. You come up with this kind of website. This is just unbelievable. Okay, so I can close that. So yeah, so that's it. This is how you make a beautiful websites with flute.com. Link is in the description and in a comment box. If you join my link, you will get like I think 100 plus credits. Okay, so with 100 plus credits you can build a website. Okay, so yeah, so if you want to do that, links are below and I will see you the next one. Until then, take care.